EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for April 24, 2020. We have the continuation of the rain from last night that is continuing this morning. It's going to be more intermittent and scattered, but there will be some steadier periods of rain that are going to be ongoing this morning. And then I think once we get in the afternoon, we start to diminish that rain activity and could actually start seeing some clearing very late in the day as this system pulls away. Here is a look at early afternoon and then on the global models, and then it pulls away this evening overnight, becomes partly cloudy during the overnight hours. And when we get over the NAM high-res future simulated radar starting off at 6 a.m., you see some scattered shower activity intermittently across the region, meaning it's not everywhere and it's not the entire time, but scattered showers nevertheless. And then you're going to have a wave come through here mid to late morning here that's going to move off to the north and east, and then you have some residual showers early to mid-afternoon. That's going to continue. Late afternoon, it gets off the Jersey coast, and then we might see some breaks here in the action here very late in the day. Might see little peaks of sun before sunset as we turn partly cloudy in the overnight hours. And then Saturday is actually going to turn out to be a kind of like a diamond in the rough type day. You're going to have two of these in this week ahead here. The first being Saturday, where it's a partly cloudy day and a lot warmer. Now, today's going to be very chilly with the clouds and the showers, and it looks like going forward, the days that are the most below normal, which can be expected, are going to be the days that it's unsettled. The fact of the matter is that we're going to be unsettled more than not. So you're going to have those temperatures below average for those periods. But when the days that you have in between here, like Saturday and like Tuesday, which I'll get here in a second, you'll have partly cloudy skies and temperatures making a run at least 60 degrees. Now, technically, it is still below average. If you're getting to 62, normal high is 65 for some places, that's not going to cut it. Okay, so you're still not quite there, but you're a lot closer to normal than days that you would be under these clouds and under the influence of showers, where it'll be much cooler, temperature stuck in the 50s, low to mid-50s in many cases. So that's the point with Saturday. Nice day here, break in between, calm winds, and then we have an increase in clouds overnight, and the next system moves in with showers coming in during the overnight period that will evolve into periods of rain here on Sunday. So the second half of your weekend is going to be wet, and this system has an upper level low associated with it. It will be kind of cool here on Sunday again when it's raining. Again, low to mid 50s with those scattered showers all day and periods of rain that will taper to scattered showers in the overnight, and then leftover showers Monday morning will still be around until the system pulls away, mostly cloudy in the afternoon. And then we get a break day in here again, Tuesday, with temperatures that are going to be in or around 60 degrees. Again, still slightly below average, but a lot warmer feeling, So partly cloudy skies and a break day in between here on Tuesday. Next system comes at us in the middle of the week, and this results in an increase in clouds on Wednesday. And it will be milder for this one, though, because this system's pulling off further north instead of coming just south of the region. This is going a little bit further to the north, so we should have periods of rain coming in here for Wednesday night, and that's going to continue into the day here on Thursday with periods of rain. Also, could be some breezy conditions, maybe even some thunderstorms involved with this. As it looks right now, this is getting out a little bit too far to really get into specifics yet, but there are, at least in this setup, warmer temperatures this time with this system, and temperatures that are 60 or better in a lot of locations in association with the system, even though it's raining. So we'll watch these next couple systems in the coming week, but right now it looks like we're going to have going forward, and I mean going way forward here. I'll have the long range out here later this morning, but it does look like the overall pattern is going to favor a continuation of the wet pattern, at least through the first week of May. And we're going to have some, because of those unsettled periods, we're going to have some days that are going to be below average. And even the days that are in between, like Saturday, Tuesday, you'll have temperatures go up, certainly higher than it was when it's raining, but still not where we should be for this time of year. And temperatures are going to be still slightly below average for the most part going forward through at least the first week of May, it looks like. But the good caveat with that is, the normal highs right now are not the same as normal highs on May 7th. So you're increasing about a degree or so every 3 days, both high and low temperatures going forward. So by that projection, your normal highs on May 7th are around 70, 71, 72. So if you're slightly below average, then you're talking about 60s rather than 50s. So it does get better, but that's only because the highs and lows are going up exponentially, or not exponentially, but they're going incrementally. They're increasing over time. So It won't be as cold as it is right now, even though we're going to be slightly below average during that first week of May, but you'll still have some slightly below average periods nevertheless. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for April 24th, 2020. Have a great Friday.